Hello fam, welcome. My name is MagdalineJ, and if you're new, welcome to the fam. Please don't forget to like and subscribe because we're always here having a good time, and come visit me on TikTok and Instagram. I'm there daily. And of course, welcome back to my oldies but goodies. Fam, guess what? Guess what? I got an advent calendar. So e.l.f, I guess, has an advent calendar, and I saw that they were selling it, and I'm like, let's do a opening or unboxing of the advent calendar. This is officially my very first advent calendar that I purchased. I unboxed one last year that I got with Makeup Revolution, and it was super fun. So I'm like, I think e.l.f is such a great brand to do this because everything is affordable, and I paid $99 for this. So let's see. I bought this on their website. It's supposed to be 24 days. So it kind of looks like, ooh, it looks like this. If you don't know, if you're not familiar with the advent calendar is, honestly, I didn't know what it was for a long time. It's basically a calendar of stuff that you would typically open the month of December, one day at a time. We don't do that over here. We open it all at once, but I'm so excited. Let's start with number one. I honestly don't know. I guess you're not supposed to know what's in here. Oh, let me use my comb. Ah! Okay, so this is the cream hydration. Oh, it's a little baby. I've never tried this before. I want to open it. I may put it in a giveaway. You know, in my vlogs, I do giveaways all the time. Day 2. This looks like a pencil or something. Oh, I just bought this eyebrow pencil. This is neutral brown. It looks like these. Ooh, okay, okay. Moving on to number 3. Me and this rat tail comb about to be besties. Ooh, this is, is this a lip stain? This is the lip stain in fiery red. Ooh, okay. Next up is number 4. Number 4 is this one right here. Let's see. Oh, look, it's the little baby thingy, the grip primer. Okay, number 5. Oh, another primer. Oh my gosh, the luminous putty primer was hard to take out. Next up, what was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. Oh, a lip gloss. Okay, the lip gloss is the shade Love Bite. These are the lip lacquers. Look at this color, how pretty that is. Ooh, okay, number 6. Now on to number 7. Ooh, a brush. Talking about a brush, let me get this brush. Oh, look at a blending brush. This is a nice one, look. Ooh, okay, for your little eyeshadow. All right. Okay, number 8. Number 8 is right here. I just got my nails done and I'm not trying to mess them up. Ooh, what's this? Look at this little golden thing. I mean bronzy thing. This is the No Budge eyeshadow stick with this packaging. Wow. Like, look, a little bronze color. That's nice. Ooh, did you know e.l.f had these? I didn't know that. Okay, number 9. Oh my god, I need this. I need this. I've been wanting this one. This is the Microfine Settings Mist up to 16-hour wear. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, little mist action. Oh, it smells good. What number were we? Damn. Was that 8? No, that was 9. 10. Number 10, right here. Okay, it's this. What is this? This eyelash brow serum that looks like this. Have you tried this? I've never tried this before. Oh my god, why am I so far away? Okay, there we go. Okay, that was what number? 10, I think? Yeah. Number 11 is a lipstick. I will say it's so hard to take these things out. So what lipstick is this? Own It. Ooh, a red lipstick. This is pretty. I don't have this one, I don't think. Own It. Cool. Next up is, oh my god, what number am I on? 11? Yeah, 11. Okay, 12. 12 is right here. Ow, I just hit my face. Oh, mascara. This is the Lash Roll mascara that I like. I won't open it. I'll definitely put it in a giveaway because I literally just bought this one. So, ooh, I love the mascara. So that was 12. Number 13, you can already see what it is. And eyelash I've never tried the e.l.f. eyelash curlers. I'm very picky with my eyelash curler. Let's see how it works. I'm not gonna do it now because right now this look has to stay put. Okay, what else? Hey, what number was I? 13? Girl, I'm forgetting. No, 14. I don't see 4. No, this was 12, 14. 14's here. Okay. 14 right there. Let's open her up. 14 is, ooh, is this the eyeshadow thingies? Yeah, the liquid metallic eyeshadow. I can't see the shade here, but it's this shade right here. It's like this copper shade. You guys, look at my nails. Don't they look like chocolate covered almonds? That's so cool. Okay, next that was 14. 15 is this little circle here. Let's see. It's a mini brow lift. These circular things are stuck in here. Oh, they're glued down, that's why. Oh, look. This went super, super viral back in 2021, 2022. Ooh, okay, that was number 15. Number 16 is, ooh, this one right here. What could this be? Let's see. Oh, little jewels. Did you know e.l.f. sold these? Here, let's put this. Did you know this? I didn't know that. For holiday makeup, you know, do like some rhinestones or something, or around here. Okay, number 16. That was 16, right? Number 17, right here. What is this? Let's see. I don't want to mess up my nails, so I'll mess up my brush. Girl, I'm like beating myself up here. Okay. Oh, this is an eyeliner. These are such old school eyeliners, but I swear they run or do. They withstand the test of time. These eyeliners, I used to use these back in the day. Okay, that was 17, right? Number 18, we're day numero 18. Let's see. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. It's like opening things oh my god, girl, this box is beating me up. Okay, this is the Holy Hydration Melting Balm. I've been wanting to try this for such a long time. I'm gonna try this tonight. Melting balms, melting oils, melting oil cleansers. I go through these like water. So anytime I get some, I'll go through it because I wear makeup every day, you know? Oh, this look is already up. Okay, what number were we in? 18, right? 19, 20, 21, 22, and 3. Okay. I don't want to skip a number. 19, day 19. Oh, a sponge. Woohoo! This one feels nice. It doesn't have all the little holes and pores. So let's see. I'm going to try this one out. Because, you know, the only one I love from e.l.f. is the Camel Conceal one. Bomb. Okay, what number was that? Shoot, now I forgot again. That was 19, huh? 20? We're number 20 right here. Oi. Let's see. Oh, this is I reviewed this like 100 years ago. These are the Hydration Core Lip Shines. Ooh, this is the shade Delightful. Okay. Next up, that was number 20. 21 is right here. Oop, that flew. This is, oh, their lip liner in the shade, oh no, this is an eyeliner, a black eyeliner. Ooh, okay. 22 is right here. It's circular. Let's see. It is another putty. Ugh. Yeah, hold on. These are like a mission to pick out. Oh, a putty blush. Look at this pretty shade. Wow, that's nice. It's like the red. St. Bart's. Oh, I think it's a Lumi blush. Yeah, the Lumi blush and St. Bart's. Ooh, okay. Next up, number 23, right here. Oh my god, I love this brush. The buffing brush. I don't have it, but I have been eyeing it because it reminds me of my It Cosmetics one. Wow, this feels really, really nice. Really nice. Woo! Oh my god, I'm so excited about this. The buffing foundation brush. Last but not least, did we open all? Let me make sure. Yes, the Mumbo Jumbo, number 24. She's pretty big. Where did my brush go? Let's see. An eyeshadow palette. Look at that beauty. Let me not break it. Wow, it's so colorful, so vibrant. Wow, look at that. The Hot Chocolate Eyes palette. Oh yeah, this is pretty. What do you think? What do you think? Wow, this, I was like, oh my God, did I not open number 10? Oh my God, but I did. Just making sure I got everything out. Is everything out? Yep. You see. I just threw it. So this retailed for $99 or $95. I also got this as a gift. I was able to use some of my reward points and I used $10 worth of my reward points. Do I think this is worth it for $99? Yes, I think you get a lot of great things. Some of my favorites would be, like, honestly, most of it, like all of this. The mascara. Okay. My favorite was definitely this. Any putty primer is so good. I love a sponge. You can never have too many sponges because you should be throwing them out every few months. You shouldn't be keeping the same one because it gets dirty. Bacteria can grow in there. The hydration and the melting, the cleanser, the cleansing balm. Yes. You know this is an oldie but goodie. It works so well. It's a sticky primer. Mascara, it's another thing you should be throwing out every 3 to 4 months. It is always good to get a good new mascara. The Lash and Roll really gives your lashes volume and length. So perfect. This brush, great. You can never have enough blending brushes. Brow wax is a good one. I think it's a good dupe for the Anastasia one. I would say the Anastasia one's a tad bit better, but for the price you get, this one is great. The lipstick and the lip tint, I really like that they matched the colors. Well, they're kind of in the red family, so I kind of like that you can get that red lip. So yeah, what else? I like this pencil's not my favorite, but it's fine. You can never go wrong with a black eyeliner. Great, especially at the drugstore. Oh, this metallic liquid eyeshadow, I've never tried it, but I'm excited to use it, so yay. This will definitely work well with this eyeshadow palette. Oh, and this little lip balm, you can use it for like an everyday if you go to the gym or for a walk, so you have a little bit of color on your lips. I always like to keep any sort of lip balm, lip glosses, anything that will give my lip color in my bag or in my gym bag, just so you get a little bit of color, you know. I really like how cohesive this box was. It wasn't a lot of random things together. Oh, and my eyelash curler, I like that they gave you this entire box. Is great for a festive look, also to get a good base with the primer and with the setting spray, and also the moisturizer with the cleansing balm. I think they really thought about putting everything that would work cohesively together, so it's not a bunch of random things that you would only use randomly, you know. So I think this box is great. It's definitely worth the $95. You get so many things. On average, e.l.f. makeup retails for about, I would say, average $8, $8 to $10. No, maybe like $8. So you get 24 things times 8. Let's see. So 192. I don't know what the value is. I guess I should look that up. Hold on. The 24 beauty surprises to slay your holiday look. Okay, that makes sense. The value is $140. And what did I calculate? 192. Oh, so e.l.f.'s better than me. Okay, $140 is a 24-day skincare and makeup advent calendar stocked with e.l.f.'s viral finds. Okay, cool. This is exclusively sold on e.l.f.'s website. I will definitely link it for you. I think it's a great holiday gift for yourself or for someone who loves beauty and makeup. I love these because they're so much fun. You get to open each and every slot, and there's nothing like not knowing what's on the other end of like your little pocket, you know? So let me know, do you like these types of videos? Do you want to see more advent calendars? I have one more that I have that if you want to see, I'll open it for you. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and just having a good time opening up like it is Christmas morning today. I had such a fabulous time, and thank you for just always hanging out with me, spending time with me, taking the time out to watch this video, to comment, to like. I truly appreciate you so much. I love you, familia, so much. You already know that, and I truly do appreciate you. If I don't say it enough, I'm saying it right now. I love you and thank you. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, click the button right here, join the fam, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.